వాళ్ళకి మెడికల్ కేర్కి తర్వాత ఆ పిల్లలకి స్కాలర్షిప్ రూపంలో వాళ్ళకి ఎటువంటి
which has been received. If you can see, we have put up a large copy over there, the flexi of that, and I'll also hand over to you, sir, the quality copy. That has also been put up on a flexi for your perusal now at a later time.
Alan, yes, I think he is our person who is in touch with IPM soft for any problem arising out of that. Then we have a blog, as I said, that एक साल से भी कम के समय में इस ब्लॉग को 2 लाख से भी ज़्यादा हिट्स मिल चुकी। रेखा जी, I don't know how to thank you, but please rise and show your beautiful face to everyone once again. Thank you so very much. किया गया था जो कि बंडारू दत्तात्रेय साहब ने जाके डिफेंस मिनिस्टर को पर्सनली दिया और उसका प्रूफ भी हमको ला के दिया कि ये हमारा फोटोग्राफ है जिसमें हमने हैंड ओवर किया। दत्तात्रेय साहब is so dedicated and so, I mean, he is committed to his words. और जैसा हमने उनसे रिक्वेस्ट किया था उन्होंने उसके
मुताबिक मोबाइल in spite of that he is doing his work whatever he can do and totally dedicated. Wanted to inform his disability but he is continuing.
Not less than 100 times. I was a witness to that and just getting
helps out with all the minor things, comforts like tea and water and all that. And it's a real commendable thing that he's converted his garage and a room itself for the office, for the purposes of teaching. Let's expand now. Because we have become more, let's expand now.
Amen. Dreaming, this is what I personally feel. Let us dream, and I'm sure the day is not far off that our dreams will come true and may come true. So हमें सिर्फ this in our mind, I'm sure we will be able to achieve these things, and this is my personal firm belief.
Sethi for enlightening the gathering about what eSeva has achieved in the last year and what heights we have gone to now, so that people from outside, out of the country too, are taking notice of eSeva, to think that this is a voluntary body which can help people as we have helped. You have an example right in front of you, Sandhya, who has been helped. Likings and text for it. Whenever you want, you can view it. And with her unstinted, single-handedly, जैसे कहते हैं तन मन धन से, she has created and designed this for eSeva. Group Captain Shastri to come and do the presentation and talk about the eSeva Trust.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'll talk about eSeva Trust, the need, objectives, and the way forward for its management. The line of presentation would be listing the topics as fraction. Every society and association requires funds on a continuous basis for its activities. And as the society is young in its life, we get a lot of donations, but over a period of time the donations build up. And the corpus that is accumulated initially is likely to get squandered by the committees, because and the framework of society's organization, the executive committee cannot be barred from spending the corpus. Hence, there is a need for safeguarding the corpus that we accumulate in the initial stages, and a likely fallout of a large corpus.
I shall be presenting the T-Seva membership, donors, expenditure of the last year, and projection of the budget for the next year. T-Seva membership as on date is 6,180 as on date. Next. State-wise distribution. J&K we are having 27, Himachal Pradesh 132, Uttarakhand we are having 398, Punjab 330, Haryana 242, New Delhi 269, Chandigarh 42, Rajasthan 52, Uttar Pradesh 342 and Bihar 40. Sikkim 1, West Bengal 66, Assam 7, Manipur 1, Jharkhand 10, Madhya Pradesh 66, Chhattisgarh 1, Odisha 45, Gujarat 109 and Maharashtra 351. And Goa 15, Telangana state which is the highest leader of this 1388. Andhra Pradesh 1017, Karnataka 381, Tamil Nadu 396, Kerala 440, Andaman Nicobar 1 and Dadar Nagar Haveli 1. Next. USA 8, UK 1, Norway 1, Nepal 10, Australia 4 and New Zealand 1. Membership, we are having the source of income. We are having the membership fee, donation and interest on fixed deposits. We are taking fees of officers 100, JSOs 50, Havaldar 30, OR 20 and single ladies we are 30. Legal fees, we are taking legal fees of rupees 5,000 from officers, single ladies 3,000, JSOs 3,000, NSOs 2,500 and single ladies only 1,000. Accounts maintained by T-Seva. We are maintaining 3 types of accounts, that is T-Seva General, that is for membership fees, and legal fees, that is AFT, T-Seva AFT, and donors fee, that is T-Seva Reserve. Next. Late Srimati Kamushi Verma, wife of Colonel Mukul Verma, 1,01,000. They are staying in London. Vayan Sharma, BVSM, AVSM, VSM, Army Commander, 51,000. Commander K. Krishna Ponchi, he is a non-member, it was already mentioned by Chandrasekhar. Tota, 1 lakh. Rear Admiral Vasanta, 1 lakh, he has donated every month. This officer, I got a call one day from Bangalore. Sir, I heard about your T-Seva, I want to donate. Then suddenly told me, just my daughter has advised me to donate every month. The other donors, and they are regular donors and